Hey folks, hey superstars, hey, this is Wesley $1 billion Virgin here. Hey, listen up here. Hey, this video here, I was a bit reluctant to record it here. Can you guys see me here? Because what I want to show you is the latest and greatest ways to make money online, okay? The latest and greatest ways to make money online right now. And I'm talking about easy ways here, okay? Understand something about the internet that is not talked about much here. The game has changed. Okay, comment those words below. The game has changed online. And I'm going to explain that here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you 2 specific ways. If you focus on this, you will make more money than you can ever spend. Okay, if you don't know who I am, my name is Wesley $1 billion Virgin here. And the sun is setting over here, so the lighting may change here. But listen, I'm still here. I'm still black, and I'm still chocolate. Okay, but listen here. The average person, when they're ready to make money online, the reason why they fail is because there's so many different opportunities to make money, right? You can find opportunities on Instagram, YouTube, courses, TikTok, Facebook. It's so much information coming at you that you don't know where to focus. Does that make sense? That's probably you, right? You can't focus on one thing because every day you open up your email, it's another email giving you some strategy to make money online. But listen, it doesn't matter if you trust me, you don't have to believe me, you can do research on me, whatever. Listen, I'm sharing this with you because I want you to earn money online. Honestly, I really do. Because if you make money, then you will make a video like this helping somebody else, and you'll also do a testimonial for me and say, I watched this video here one day from this young black kid from Houston, Texas here, and now I'm independently wealthy. And you can be, and you will be. But listen, 2 ways. 1, give me a sec. I'm good. Listen, 1 is affiliate marketing. And listen, how many of you know what affiliate marketing is? It's been around for a very long time. And basically, affiliate marketing is basically this. If I got some hot sauce, and say if I'm the owner of the company, okay? And say if I want to sell more of these things here, well, I'll say, hey, you big head, if you sell this to other people, I'll pay you a commission. All right? It's like recommending things, but basically it happens online. So listen, it's like doing this. It's like sitting in your bed or in your couch or at home, not going to work, not slaving at a job, but basically recommending products, digital products, online, and getting paid over and over again. Does that make sense? Give me a second, guys. My phone fell here. Okay. See my professional setup here? It's amazing, isn't it? Is it not? Is it just so professional? Okay. Are you guys with me here? So affiliate marketing is a great opportunity for you to make money. Listen, let me give you the websites that you can go to right now. Clickbank.com. Use it. That site was the first company that allowed me to make $1 million, right? That's the reason why I got the fancy chain, right? You see that? That's why I got the Cartier bracelets, right? Listen, affiliate marketing, Clickbank.com is where beginners should go. Listen, if you're brand new, I don't care how many videos you watch online. Listen, I'm sharing this from the top of my heart right now. If you're brand new, Clickbank.com is probably the first website you want to utilize to make your first dollar online. Now, if you're more advanced, obviously you'll go to other websites as well. But in the beginning, Clickbank is like the Cliff Notes of internet marketing. It's just where everybody goes to begin to potentially make their first million or to leave their job or make their first sale. Okay. Another website is digistore24.com. Now listen, I'm not a sponsor for any of these companies here. The reason why I'm sharing this is because I just want people to win. I do. I want you to make money. Honestly. Digistore24.com. I'm currently on that platform and we do millions of dollars digitally. And I'm at home. That's why I'm at home. And that's what I want you to do. I want you to realize as a man or a woman that you can spend time at your house and make money, right? Just make money. Like even right now in this video, I'm making money, right? So write that down. Clickbank.com and digistore24.com. Okay. So now The second way to make money online, okay, is creating a product online. Now listen, many of you make this so complicated, all right? You make it say, well, Wesley, how do I create a product? Oh, what I got to do? I got to do research. I got to go to school. I got to be an expert. No, you'll be surprised. Let me share a story with you. Years ago, I went to Canada because I was desperate. I don't know about you, but I really wanted to make $1 million because I was sick and tired of the 9-to-5 job, and I just wanted to give a better life to my children. I did. And I wanted a better life, right? I wanted that sunset. You see that sunset right there? Yeah. See, I wanted that view. I wanted that panoramic view at my place here. So listen, I had to get successful. So listen here. What I did was, listen, I went to Canada, right? And when I got to Canada, I met a guy. Listen, he's about my height, 6'1". He's a white guy. He's 25 years old. At that time, I'm about 31. Okay. And he has a Jaguar. He has what else he had? A BMW. And he had a brand new Mercedes for his girl. Okay. All paid off. Okay. That's probably why I have 7 cars now. But listen here. This was the amazing thing. He said, I said, Wes, his name is D. We'll call him D. I said, D, what do you do? He said, I just have products online on ClickBank. I said, really? What is the product? Do you know this man? it's gonna blow. Listen, this man is selling products online, teaching parents how to potty train their kids. An ebook. Now, I thought he was an expert. I said, oh, really? So did you go to potty training school? Do you have a degree in potty training university or what? He said, no. No, I know nothing about this, Wes. As a matter of fact, I never read the book at all. Listen, this man is making $150,000 per month. I'm making $0 every month. And he's selling digital products online, teaching parents how to potty train their kids. And he's not an expert. He knows nothing about it. Let me tell you what he did. I'm going to tell you exactly. Let me tell you what he did here for free. Smash the like button, though. Give me some love. Go ahead. I'm going to wait. Smash it. Oh, smash it. All right, listen. He said, Wes, this is what I did. He went on Amazon.com and he knew the niche he wanted to be in. He did his research. It's important. Make sure you always do your research before you create a product online, okay? Research means this. Make sure that whatever product you're trying to create, the search terms, okay, are in low competition. You can do this with Google Keyword. You can do this with vidIQ.com. I'll leave links below, but this is very simple. When people say research, don't make it so arduous. It's not a complicated task. You just want to know, is it people out there that are willing to buy the product here? Okay. You can use Google Keyword Planners, maybe millions of dollars here. Okay. So listen, he said, so in that niche, which was the potty training niche, he knew he had some flexibility and he had some opportunity to make a ton of money, right? Because no one was really dominating the niche right now. So he went to Amazon.com. He searched potty train kids. He found a book that wasn't selling, okay? It's like millions of products right now on Amazon, right now, that are not selling at all. Like books, people write books every day. People are like, oh, I wrote me a book, but nobody buying your book though, boo. That's because they don't know how to market. Listen, so what he did was, it was smart. He found a book that was good, but no one bought it because that person didn't know how to market the book. So what he did was, he said, hey, he wrote the person and said, hey, I see you have a book out here and I know it's not doing too well and I'm willing to just buy the rights if you don't mind for like, a couple $100. You're not doing nothing with it. Are you open to that? And that person said, sure. He paid $500. This is true story. For the rights to the book, which means he can change the characters in the book. He can change the name, whatever. So now he has a product ready to sell. Okay. And then all he did was create the VSL, which is called a video sales letter. And I'll talk more about that in the course below if you don't know what that is. And now today, I'm pretty sure he's doing $5,000 to $10,000 per day from a digital book that he wasn't an expert. The moral of this story is you don't have to be an expert to make money online. Okay. You got to know when. That's it. You don't have to be a a shelf, okay, a cuisine shelf to make a chef book and make a recipe book. No, you don't have to do that. It is experts online right now that you can get all the information for almost nothing. Does that make sense? So creating products online is the way that I make my money. I also do affiliate marketing, but I have teams that do it for me. We have teams that create products for me. We have teams that do my YouTube video. I have a team for a lot of stuff. Eventually you will get there. But listen, in the beginning, for the latest strategies to make money online, either become an affiliate marketer that's just recommending products. Now, I know a lot of you are thinking, well, Wesley, don't I need to understand Facebook and YouTube? Not really. Yes, but not really. You can use Facebook groups. You can use forums. It takes work, but I think it's better than working at McDonald's. It's better than working at Walmart, and it's better than working for other people. You can spend 8 to 10 hours in your bed, on your couch, in your kitchen, and you can just eat cookies like this. Look at this. Look, you spend just eating cookies here, okay, and making money online. Like 8 hours. Like, I give you a good example here because I promise you, I'm gonna give you a way that you can go. You can do to do right now and make $200 to $300. Listen, first step, go to digitalstore24.com. Okay, go there now. Search for a product by the name of Genie Script. That's my product. Okay, and you're gonna sell that product. Okay, and you're not gonna go knock on doors. That's stupid. You're not gonna call people. Hey, you want to buy this product? Hey, you want to? No, you're not gonna do that. What you're gonna do? That product allows you to manifest your dreams. That's what I teach people to do in the product. When you're on the page on Digital Store 24, okay, you're going to click a link that says promote on the Genie Script. You're going to see it on the web page, okay? That link is called your affiliate link on the page, okay? I'm going to make you do the work. I'm not going to show you any fancy screenshots here, okay? And that link, you want to just give to people who want to manifest their dreams. Where are these people? Go to google.com, type in manifestation forum, type in self-development forum. There are millions of people right now that is waiting for some book, some product to allow them to manifest their dreams. And all you have to do, because the average sale for my product, which means this, let me break it down. When you sell one, you're going to make $80, okay? When you sell one, because that's the average cart value of my product right now. You're going to make $80. That means you sell 4, you make $320 by selling 4. Right? You're in your kitchen eating cookies. You're on the laptop and you're just giving the link to people who already want to learn how to manifest their dreams. How easy is that? The average person doesn't even make $200 a day. A day. All you have to do is sell 4. That's $9,000 a month. Okay? It's just that simple. And, you know, unfortunately, many of you are going to find a way to complicate this task here. And that's unfortunate here. But listen, I'm done. I love you guys. Listen, if you got any value here, go ahead and smash the like button here. And comment below, I got value here. Listen, watch the video again. Just watch it again. Repetition is the mother of skill. Let's watch it again. Listen, it will start to resonate with you. And you'll find yourself in a better position. You'll find yourself being able to take care of your parents, kids. You'll find yourself becoming a first generational millionaire. Why? Because you can and you must. But you must believe in you. You must take massive action. Don't quit. Failure is your friend. And I love you. I love you. I do. Okay, I'm going to go now. But listen, I love you. Now go get it done. Much love. Let's go.